Uttar Pradesh elections has seen some new candidates being given the chance to come forward, and Congress party has fielded in Unnao Asha Singh, who's the mother of the rape victim. There are objections to her candidature. I have with me Aishwarya Sengar, who is the daughter of Kuldeep Sengar, convicted in the case for rape, and he's still serving his time in jail. But Aishwarya had made a video on social media questioning the motive behind giving the ticket to Asha Singh. Aishwarya, please tell us, do you think that it was wrong on the part of the Congress party to actually have given the ticket to Asha Singh from Unnao?
I have nothing against Asha Singh or her daughter per se. But all my issues are with Priyanka Gandhi ji and how she used my father in the entire campaign. उन्होंने इन्हें टिकट इसीलिए दी है because she feels that she can use my father in the entire campaign against a political party, which is entirely wrong on her part. उन्होंने हमें हमारी family को she's entirely dehumanized us. So of course I have a problem with that, and प्रियंका जी से मैं बस इतना ही कहना चाहूंगी कि आई होप यू कॉन्सेंट्रेट मोर ऑन द फैक्ट्स. एक बार आप भी सच जानने की कोशिश करें दैट व्हाट एक्चुअली हैपेंड इन द केस. आपके भाई के ऊपर भी देयर वर एलिगेशंस नॉट टू लॉन्ग अगो. सो आई थिंक यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट वंस यूर अ पॉलिटिकल फिगर, लोग कभी कभी ऐसी चीजें को मिसयूज भी करते हैं. ऑल वी वांट इज की फैक्ट्स बस बाहर निकल के आए. द वे शी इज, my father was ready for a narco test, right? She refused. And I still say it, if there's a single proof that my father has done it, then please hang us all. लेकिन अगर नहीं है तो एक बार हमारी सुन तो लीजिए. मुझे मेरी दो बहनों को माँ को क्या झेलना पड़ता. Just listen to us once.
You yourself, your sister, as well as your mother have also had to face the brunt of the entire case. And at a time when we talk about women empowerment or bringing women to the fore, you've also said in the video that your mother has also had to go through issues with regards to, the case in the society.
Ma'am, my mother has gone through a lot. वो sitting president थी. Her ticket was cut only because she was somebody's wife, and I spoke about that also then. कि आप इस तरह डिह्यूमनाइज एंटेगनाइज कर रहे हैं किसी को जस्ट बिकॉज वी रिलेटेड टू समबडी. वो सिटिंग प्रेसिडेंट थी, उनका टिकट काट दिया गया, एंड द पीपल हु स्पोक मोस्ट अबाउट इट वर फ्रॉम कांग्रेस, राइट. एंड आज जब इस लड़की का दिस क्रिमिनल बैकग्राउंड, इनके ऊपर खुद केसेस हैं, इनकी बेल अभी अभी रिजेक्ट हुई है ऑन द 11th. दे हैव अ केस अगेंस्ट देम 420 का, नकली टीसी बनवाने का. देन यू गिविंग हर अ टिकट and you're completely ignoring कि इनकी फैमिली की जो क्रिमिनल हिस्ट्री है, देयर डजन ऑफ केसेस उन्नाव के जाने माने क्रिमिनल रहे. माई फादर हैज नो सिंगल केस ऑन हिम बिफोर दिस केस, और उनको कोई ट्रस्ट नहीं किया गया. एंड यू गिविंग हर कैंडिडेचर, तो इट्स रॉन्ग ऑन आवर पार्ट.
But in the end, in the entire fiasco, your father has been convicted and he's still serving time in jail, while the people that you are questioning at the moment are outside.
That's what I'm saying. Please give us a chance, right? We filed an appeal in the High Court. We're still contesting. And we just want कि एक बार without bias हमारी बात तो वहां तक पहुंचे. There has been such, that there has been bias. Before even the case started, हमें already we were declared rapists even before the case started. And I started doing my law right after the case started, and I've seen the case, and I know that we'll win because it is the truth. So please give us a fair chance to fight. And you've rightly mentioned that they also have cases on them, but nobody is taking cognizance because the way they've been portrayed, they portrayed themselves as victim, when in fact, in this case, we are the victim. Nobody listened to us. And मेरे फादर पे तो कोई केस नहीं था, इनकी तो पूरी हिस्ट्री है. Then why the bias? Why different approaches to both of us?
What is your appeal? Because now Asha Singh has been given a ticket from Unnao. There's another candidate also from the other party who's in Unnao. What is your appeal to the people with regards to what you're saying?
everybody who conspired against my father, they're contesting elections. The people of Unnao, they know my father. They've known him since the past 30-40 years. He's worked with them. He's served tirelessly for them. तो मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि उन्नाव के लोग तो दिखा ही देंगे 10 मार्च को प्रियंका जी को कि क्या सही है क्या गलत. बट मैं बाकी सब लोगों से जो देख रहे हैं उनसे बस ये कहूंगी कि प्लीज प्लीज एक बार हमारे केस के फैक्ट्स जानने की कोशिश करें, एक बार हमें सुने. हमने अपने लिए नार्को मांगा, हम आज भी कहते हैं इफ देयर इज अ सिंगल प्रूफ अगेंस्ट अस देन ठीक है आप जो हमारे बात, लेकिन हमारी एक बार बस सुन ली जाए. दैट्स आवर ओनली अपील टू द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया एंड द पीपल ऑफ उन्नाव. दे ऑलरेडी नो एंड आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि 10 मार्च को उसका जवाब सबके सामने होगा.
Aishwarya Sengar has raised some strong objections to Asha Singh getting the ticket, and she says and claims that all this is being done to gain political mileage in the upcoming Uttar Pradesh elections by the Congress party. With Abhishek Singh in New Delhi, this is Milan Sharma for India Today.